Hello friends, welcome to Surface Chemistry chapter. In this chapter we will discuss types of adsorption on the basis of force of attraction. On the basis of force of attraction, adsorption can be divided into physical adsorption, that means physisorption, and chemical adsorption, chemisorption. Let's go to physical adsorption. Here adsorbent examples are silica gel and animal charcoal. What is the definition of adsorbent? Which is able to absorb the gaseous molecules. Next, gaseous molecules absorbed on adsorbent surface. Gaseous molecules are named as adsorbate. The molecules of adsorbate and adsorbent held together by weak forces. Weak forces, that means physical forces such as van der Waals forces. This phenomenon is named as physical adsorption or physisorption. Any gas molecule adsorbed on the surface of any solid surface. So physisorption is non-specific in nature. That means any gas adsorbed on surface of any solid substrate. If temperature increases, this energy weakens the binding force between adsorbate and adsorbent. As a result, the gas molecule escapes from the adsorbent. Okay, this process is named as desorption. Adsorption and desorption takes place simultaneously. That means physical adsorption or physisorption is reversible in nature. Due to weak forces, the enthalpy of physical adsorption is 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Easily liquefiable gas like ammonia, hydrogen chloride, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide are adsorbed to greater extent. Physical adsorption or physisorption forms multimolecular layers. Next, let's go to chemical adsorption or chemisorption. The molecules of adsorbent and adsorbate held together by strong forces, that means chemical bonds. It is named as chemisorption or chemical adsorption. Due to presence of strong forces, the enthalpy of adsorption is high, which is 80 to 240 kilojoule per mole. Due to formation of strong forces, it is irreversible in nature. Due to formation of strong forces, it is irreversible in nature. Next, physical adsorption forms monomolecular layer. Next, for example, oxygen gas gets adsorbed on metal surface. To form metallic oxide. Next, hydrogen gas adsorbed on metal surface to form metallic hydride. That means chemical adsorption is highly specific in nature. Due to strong forces, the enthalpy adsorption is 80 to 240 kilojoule per mole. Due to formation of strong forces or chemical bond, it is irreversible in nature, irreversible in nature. Next, it forms monomolecular layers. What is the difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption? In between adsorbate and adsorbent, there is a presence of weak forces, that is physical adsorption. In between adsorbate and adsorbent, there is a presence of strong forces, that is chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption occurs at low temperature. Chemical adsorption occurs at high temperature. Physical adsorption is non-specific in nature. Chemical adsorption is specific in nature. Physical adsorption is reversible in nature. Chemical adsorption is irreversible in nature. Okay, this is the difference between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.